So I bought this off eBay, and it's an organiser, but it's one of them sort of fandangly in between smartphones and the old keyboardy ones. So it's I think anyway, it's one of these press pad type ones, and I dare say back when this was made, I'm going to say the 90s, I don't know, I would say late 90s, but I will have a look, see if I can find out, and I'll smack it up in editing. Bought it off eBay, not working, and that's pretty much all it says. I'll put that up as well. But it's very flimsy feeling, gotta be honest. But again, these things, well, it's hard to tell, isn't it? It's hard to tell. So let's take it apart. Let's get my screwdrivers out. Oh, wait there. Best thing to do, first off, let's put a battery in it. Oh, there we are. It's curious, isn't it? It's like a spare port for a spare battery. Mind you, if this was something you relied on heavily, that's such a naff graphic, isn't it? Then maybe you would need a spare battery. Let's put a battery in now. 2032, is it 2032? Yeah, 2032. Just put that in. Nope, nothing. So, without further ado, let's get in here. There we are. Move that out the way. Move that out the way. Put that in there. Right. Oh, we got some more screws. Start spreading the news. We got 4 more screws. We need to take it apart before we can fix it. Don't worry. I don't have my medication today. Right, okay. Right. It bends at this point here, but the screen seems to be stuck in, and the last thing I want to do is snap the ribbon cable. Oh, bugger. Oh, here we are. Nerve-wracking. Right, let's bring you in. Dun, 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 dun. Biloo, biloo. The blob chip. The blob chip of doom. I hope that isn't a problem, because if it is, it's game over. It's just black around here. Is it burnt? Or is it just glue? It's a speaker anyway, so it's not gonna... Just wondering... Oh, wait there. Wait there, wait there, wait there. For a 40 second I thought that was burnt. Look at this. Look at that. That has popped. Look at that. It's like it was disintegrated. C7. Thank God for that. I suppose I could have told from the colour. Mind. Look at that. It's wild, that is, isn't it? Oh, there we are. Let's have a look. Is that the problem? Oh, I'm not going to mess about. I'm going to get this under the microscope. Let's bring that out. And up. There he is. So I think the first action is to clean that up, get the bits off. Let's put a bit of flux on. My yearning for something a bit grittier. I got a couple more things on the way though, so hopefully. Where's my tweezers? There, right in front of me. Well done, Ed. Oh, that came off easy. And that. That's far too much. There we are. So if I get this now, turn this around, plonk this right in here. Never wants to come off. Where's my other tweezers gone? There they are. Yes, I know that's far too much. Oh, I love how he pulls her in. See how he pulled it in then? Surface tension, I believe. Yes, I know, I put too much on, I gotta clean it up. There we are. Don't matter about that big blob on there. As long as it's held. Oh, it's nice and tight. That's still nice and tight. Oh, I like that stuff. Oh, yeah. Let's give her a bit of a clean. And let's see where we are. Ooh! Oh, wait there, I can't twist my arm around enough. Get in there. Right, let's put this back together. Reset. Right, reset. So this is stick a minute. Hey! Oh well, calculator's working. Euro convert, money converter, sorry. That's date and time. Alarm. Schedule. Personal. Yeah, it's very personal. On and off. Oh, on and off. Off. So there we are. Anyone have anything similar to that back in the day? Let me know. Put it down in the comments or whatever other organiser you might have used. I always personally found them a bit of a fad, you know, but I had one, never used it. But there we are. From disorganised now to organised. Well, sort of anyway. But until the next time, ta-ra, bet.